Hello everyone. Have you ever got a chance to know the purpose of visa, especially US visa? What is it and what are different categories or types of visas available, process to apply for a visa, etc. So today we will discuss it in detail. Before we begin, welcome to our channel The Guidance Pro. United States of America. It is one of the world's most visited countries and everyone wish to visit must obtain a US visa. A US visa is a stamp that you get on your passport which means that you are eligible to enter the United States. The purpose of your intended travel and other facts will determine what type of visa is required under US immigration law. Next categories. Based on the purpose and duration of your stay, US offers different type of US visa to foreign citizens. While there are many types of US visas available, they are mainly categorized as immigrant visa and non-immigrant visa. Immigrant visa is issued to limited foreign citizens who wish to stay permanently in the USA, whereas non-immigrant visa is issued to foreign citizens for temporary visits such as for tourism, business, work, visiting, etc. There are a number of US visas depending on one's purpose of travel. Thus, it is essential to know about the types of visas. Few popular types of US visa that comes under non-immigrant visa category are business or tourist visa, employment or work visa, education or student visa, medical treatment visa, domestic employee visa, media or journalist visa. Next, work visa. It is a work permit allows us to enter into USA and work there for a specific time period. Following visa types comes under work visa. H-1B visa for employment or occupation. H-2A visa for seeking agriculture job for which US workers are not available. H-3 visa for those who visit USA to attend trainings only for short duration. H-4 visa for dependents of H-type visa holders. L-1 visa for intra-company transferees. L-2 visa for dependents of L visa holders. Type O visa is offered to those who has an expertise knowledge in various fields like science, education, art, business, etc. Type P visa for athletes, artists, performers, etc. Next, student visa. Foreign students who come to USA for studies need this visa. This is of two types, F1 visa and M1 visa. F1 visa having course hours more than 18 hours a week and attending public secondary school for 12 months, and M1 visa offered to students preferring non-academic vocational training or training in the USA. If students leave US for more than 5 months break in studies will lose their F1 or M1 visa status. Exchange visitor visa issued to foreign citizens for a temporary USA visit like teachers, professors, visitors coming for research, visit, etc. can opt for this type of visa. Next, domestic employee visa. Personal servants who accompany their employees to the US are eligible for B1 visa. Employees include housemaids, cooks, gardeners, butlers, etc. Next, media and journalist visa. Media 1 visa is offered to a journalist traveling to US having their home office in a foreign country. Travel purpose include attending conference, guest lecture, purchasing media equipment, vacation plan. Also, a temporary visa will be issued for media planning, advertisement, hosting stage show, film making, etc. Next comes eligibility. Following conditions should be satisfied by the person before applying any visa. Let us see what are they. The process of applying for a visa will vary depending on the US embassy or a consulate where you apply, following the specific instructions for the country that you are in. The applicant must have a passport valid for minimum 6 months. Applicant not involved in any criminal history. Applicant should have required finance to support himself staying in USA. Applicant should have a valid reason to travel to USA. Applicant should be free from viral diseases. Application process. Visa can be applied either online or offline based on the convenience. For online application, visit related website, fill application form online, pay visa fee online, and book appointment slot and attend interview. For offline application, download and fill the application form, send it to US Embassy, pay visa fee at Visa Application Center and book appointment and attend interview. The process of applying US immigrant visa is slightly different from that of applying US non-immigrant visa. For applying immigrant US visa, police clearance certificate issued by regional passport office, medical test conducted by approved medical doctors, complete DS 260 form, pay visa fee, book appointment with consulate and attend interview. To apply for non-immigrant US visa, select visa type, fill DS 160 form without mistakes, pay visa fee, schedule appointment with Visa Application Center and submit photos, fingerprints, schedule appointment with consulate and attend interview. Now let's see what all documents are required to attend US visa interview. Academic documents, passports, color photos, marriage certificate if applicable, property evidence. For work visa, all relevant documents of employer, police clearance certificate, date of birth certificate, magistrate or court records if any. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.